So in this video, we're going to see the backend part of the job hunting application. So I have used FastAPI for this. Let so these are the requests. I have got three get request, one post, one put, and one delete request. Yeah. So let us now go through the code. So this is my main.py. I've built mainly my routes in the job list.route. This is the model. It has the job ID, title, company, experience, salary, location, description, and application link. And this is the schema of it. Basically, it will just convert the given into an array, or if we give input as a dictionary, it will again return that into the form of dictionary so that we can easily store this in MongoDB at last. Yeah, I have got six functions, out of which three are get, one is post, one is put, and one is delete. I'll import fast API, then I'll configure the database. Then yeah, this is just importing from the main API route. Yeah, main this function is it will give me all the data in the MongoDB atlas. It will find and it will give the all the available data. Then I'll pass the get with an ID. It will give just a uh, specific data which is having the job ID. Then again I'll call this a serializer function. Basically uh, it will process the unordered data and it will give that in a form of the like array kind of a structure, basically a 2D array, so that I can easily pass that to job and it will be easy for the front end developers to handle that. Then again here I pass this get using a job ID. Here I'll pass it through ID which is given by a MongoDB. It's a very unique ID generated by Mongo Atlas. Next I have a post request, so it will take argument of job of schema job, class job. So that again it will insert basically it will take a unique, like you cannot make one or two having same job and all. So it will see, it will in the front end, we'll just put a check on that, then only we'll pass that to our backend API. Next we have this put, so it will make editing any, want to make change in our job like location or the salary, anything we have to change, we can easily change. So again this will take argument the ID provided by MongoDB. Suppose if you want to make a change in the job ID itself, so we cannot pass that, so we'll pass it through the ID which is given by MongoDB, not a job ID which we give. Then delete, again it will delete uh, the job whichever the ID has been passed, it will find and it will delete it. If the status is okay, it will give us the empty array. So that was about the backend part of it. In the next video we'll see the admin panel as well as front end part. Thank you.